You're so smart, man. You're like a genius. Wow, I can't believe how much you know about this. Or things like, oh, just ask him. He knows everything. Or, he knows all about that stuff. Or, hey, my buddy said that you might know about all this because you're so smart. And you're sitting here and you're struggling. So what gives? Let's talk about that. Okay? Hey guys, I'm Steven. This is New Thinking, New Life. And this channel about sorting yourself out, figuring out what's going on. We teach some law of attraction, manifesting, stuff that's self-help that will help you. Click the subscribe button, click the little bell so that you can know when I do new videos, if it benefits you, if I help you, if I could serve you, it'll help me. All right, so here's the thing. You might have heard a lot of that stuff that I just told you, not just from your parents. Maybe you heard it from other people too. You heard it all your whole life. Yet here you are, you're X age. You see other people that are your age. You don't have as much money as them. You don't understand what's going on. So what's happening here? And I think one of the biggest things that I've ever learned, and I'm still learning it, unfortunately, at the ripe old age of nearly 40 years old, is that you have to have a real focus. It doesn't matter how smart you think you are. It doesn't matter how intelligent you really may be. If you lack a real cohesive focus to go ahead and achieve a goal, nothing will happen for you. And that's just the way it's always going to be. So you have to make sure that you get up and focus on a single specific thing. And I've used the analogy and the metaphor before. It's like having a lamp. A lamp has a bulb and it emits a bunch of light. Light is just a type of energy. It's just a ray. It just bounces around things and reflects off of different materials to form colors and things like that, off different spectrums. But as you take that light and you focus that same light beam, that same type of energy, it can become a laser. And a laser can be very focused and it can become so intense that it can cut metal. There's laser that cuts steel out there. So with that being said, you have to choose your focus wisely and you have to choose it correctly. And I know that I have problems choosing my focus. That's a big problem that I have. Recently, a friend suggested that I might have like Asperger's, which turns out is just a type of autism spectrum, which might make a lot of sense because I have some very specific focuses. But I've not really capitalized on those focuses. I've just kind of been unfocused in everything else I've been doing, and it's really hurt me, so I'm trying to get refocused. If you have this problem, I suggest you go back to making lists, doing notes in the notebooks, and working really, really, really hard on what you can do to improve it and make your focus more solid. Because without that focus, you can be the smartest, most intelligent guy in the world or gal in the world, and nothing will happen for you. Trust me on this, okay? It's kind of weird to have a conversation with a person who's homeless, but if you ever have a chance to have a conversation with a homeless person or 2 or 3 or 10, you might notice that some of those people, incredibly smart, they have degrees, they've gone to school, they know what's going on, and they're still homeless. There's something there. They lack the focus, maybe. They have different reasons, but they just can't execute on what they have, what they've invested in. Don't be that person. I don't want you to be that person. If you guys want to help my channel out tremendously, click on the link in the description below. Go read a review that I wrote on the Law of Attraction program that I highly recommend. You can buy that program if you wanted to, but if you don't want to, there's still a lot of good free content on my website. And click on subscribe on this video, of course. Hit that little bell. We'll talk to you guys in another video. I appreciate all of you for watching. Thanks again so much. Bye-bye.